Papa. Papa. Mama, Papa.
Hold on, almost done. Baby Jade.
Baby Jade, done. Thank you, boy. Kevin, done. I think he tucked here.
What's wrong with your legs? Huh? Why? What's wrong with your legs? Something wrong there? You have downsitis?
Papa, like this.